the first day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me a part to repair an RPG. On the second day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 2 gripper gloves and a part to repair an RPG. On the third day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves and a part to repair an RPG. On the fourth day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 4 tennis cocks, 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves and a part to repair an RPG. On the 5th day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 5 small snap rings, 4 tennis hooks, 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves, and a part to repair an RPG. On the 6th day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 6 test cock spraying, 5 small snap rings, 4 test hooks, 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves, and a part to repair an RPG. On the 7th day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 7 shippers shipping, 6 test cock spraying, 5 small snap rings, 4 test hooks, 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves, and a part to repair an RPG. On the 8th day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 8 taxa testing, 7 shippers shipping, 6 test cock spraying, 5 small snap rings, 4 test cocks, 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves, and a part to repair an RPG. On the 9th day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 9 ladies dancing, 8 taxa testing, 7 shippers shipping, 6 test cock spraying, 5 small snap rings, 4 test cocks, 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves, and a part to repair an RPG. On the 10th day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 10 RVs dripping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 taxa testing, 7 shippers shipping, 6 test cock spraying, 5 small snap rings, 4 test cocks, 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves, and a part to repair an RPG. On the 11th day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 11 plumbers plumbing, 10 RVs dripping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 taxa testing, 7 shippers shipping, 6 test cock spraying, 5 small snap rings, 4 test cocks, 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves, and a part to repair an RPG. On the 12th day of Christmas, my vendor gave to me 12 salesmen selling, 11 plumbers plumbing, 10 RVs dripping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 taxa testing, 7 shippers shipping, 6 test cock spraying, 5 small snap rings, 4 test cocks, 3 custom spools, 2 gripper gloves, and a part to repair an RPG.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!